Contestant number 2.
Bravo din, Lupa City.
Oh, mahulog ka din. Mahulog ka.
Kuya, ingatan mo yung Disney princess namin. Sumunod sa water. Ito po yun si ate, munti ka naman na malapit na ako. Malapit Mahila ko pa baba. Ang nanay naman si princess.
Mahulog ka ha.
It's just only for the others. Not a good swimmer.
Not a first time.
It's gonna be weird in that one.
Okay, everyone. This will be our last island to visit. But there are two spots here or attraction, which is the Reef Garden scene, and then the second one is the sunken ship or the skeleton shipwreck. Skeleton shipwreck was just placed to the other side of the area that we're able to do swimming from this spot going right there. This island was just named as Malwawe. It's a term for a pig or a, what you call that? It's a wild boar. Because the shape of the island is look like a wild boar. So you would just see it when you get there onto the front of the area. That the shape of the island is look like a pig, so that's why they call that Malwawe Island. So Reef Garden was just able to see a different kinds of coral from Acrophora, Isophora, Subaluta, Berwei, and then anemone, elkhorn. Lots of those coral will be seen around on the spot. And then also a fishes from a reef fish that eating a dead coral and poop a white sand. That is known as mulmul or parrotfish. You had also the anemone, Sergeant Major, especially Sergeant Major. There's a lot of Sergeant Major. It's just like with a stripe of black, black, and white. So you will see it at the sunken ship because some of the people used to feed them. Okay, so those are the fishes that eating a dead coral and poop a white sand. Sunken ship here is not a Japanese warship. It's only a Chinese vessel that sank after the World War. So those shipwreck were just only, they let the boat to sink into the place. It's just laying around 7 meter to 22 meter deep, usually visited by the divers. So it's just around 40 meter long and then covered now with the coral, so become an artificial inhabitant of marine life. So the area was just also a spot for the divers to visit. So sometimes you will be seeing a diver.
Anong plano? Swimming kayo o ano? Pwede naman ito kahilahin eh. Oo. Kasi afraid of heights ka? Water. Jacket? Ha? Meron. No problem. Gusto mo sa tingin mo? Galing ka. Oo, kita ko. Pumasok pa sinalim. Saka lumusod doon.
Ano yung sugyan lang sa may baba? Pero yung dulo po niya,
Oo.
madalas yan ginagawa pong diving area. Yung mga beginner na nag-dive.
I-release ko na eh. Sikit pa rin. So bukas pala puro beach tayo.
Yes, sir.
Tatlo yan, di ba?
Opo.
Maganda talaga.
Yes po, sandbar with 150 meters po yun. Tapos yung ating highlights, tawag sa kanya is Marcapuya. Meron din po tayo Coco Island na expedition, ano po siya, area na yung iba po is doon nag-stay ng overnight. So may mga campsite po tayo doon. Like po ng mga cottages na nakapalikod po doon sa area. May mga hammock din eh. May? Wala po, dagat na rin siya.
Anong galing mong mag-ano ha?
Po?
Bilim ka ba?
Thank you, sir.
Hindi lahat talaga talaga magaganda. Alaga na.
Salamat po. Apo. Huwag niyo makalimutan, sir. Pwede niyo kaming i-rate, ha?
Oo, saan?
Asriel Rowan Chaperon. Sir, paano ka kasi?
Ang
So, just double check all of the things that you can before going down on our boat. Okay? So, thank you so much.
bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you.
And then we'll be about to tow them. And to go back, we'll be getting the slower a little bit because we needed to bring them into the dock. So that is the
Siraan,
scenario
mga
here when people or boat having trouble with them. It just also sometimes happen to us. So, sir, ma'am, we'll make the boat slower a little bit.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.